Hey Barcoders! Welcome back to the IDAutomation channel. Today, we're diving into how to use the native generator for server-side reporting services in Power BI Report Builder. I'll show you how to quickly generate a GS1 Digital Link QR code and the most common error we see when implementing this solution. Let's get started by opening Power BI Report Builder. From here, we'll open an existing report, specifically one from the IDAutomation SSRS Native Generator download. In my files, I have the full linear and 2D barcode package. Since we're creating QR codes today, we'll head into the Native Generator folder and open the QR code report. Go ahead and click OK on the security prompt, and our IDAutomation report will load. I'll expand the view so we can take a better look. You'll notice this very stylish report layout. This box here is our QR code object. The same applies to the other barcode reports as well. And as always, the first thing we want to do is run the report to make sure everything works as expected. Perfect, the report runs successfully and our QR code appears. Love to see it. Now let's head back into the report designer and turn this into a GS1 Digital Link. Right-click on the barcode object and select expression. This is where we control the data being encoded. Highlight the text inside the parentheses and paste in your GS1 Digital Link. You can also concatenate fields here. Comment below if you'd like to see a video on that next. Let's run the report again, and there it is. Our QR code has updated and now represents a GS1 Digital Link. If we scan it, we're taken directly to the example landing page. So far so good, but what about new reports or existing reports you've already created? No worries, I've got you covered. Let's create a new report and paste in our barcode object. I'll give this report a quick name, QR Code GS1 Digital Link. We'll right-click, confirm the encoded data looks correct, and then run the report. Oh, error. This is the most common issue we see with the native generator. The report can't find the code responsible for generating the barcode. To fix this, we'll head back to the file system where the original report was stored. In that folder, you'll notice a TXT file with the same name as the report we opened earlier. Open that file in Notepad, copy the contents, and then return to your report. Click anywhere in the gray area outside the report layout. In the top right corner, locate the code property and click the 3 ellipses. This opens the report properties under the code tab. Paste in the copy code, click OK, and now let's run the report again. Success! Our QR code generates exactly as expected. And that's it. Now you know what goes into creating not just QR codes, but all barcodes using IDAutomation's SSRS and Power BI Native Generator. Let us know how you're barcoding in the comments below, and don't forget, IDAutomation is your source for quality symbology.